Examination was in a brown box tray and all the questions on yellow cards. And they were kept under Bruce Hayter's bed. And to do the examination, you got a knitting needle and you put it through the cards and lifted it up. And that was the examination. That was the degree of sophistication that we exhibited in the early 70s. I don't think any of us around the table even knew how to spell psychometrics. We didn't know what psychometrics were. Then we appointed Peter Robinson. And all of a sudden, we had a scientific basis. And what we've got now is examination processes which are as rigorous I have ever seen, are defensible, are relevant. But compared it to the yellow cards under the bed, we've moved an enormous way.
The standards, it's the assessment, but also it's the research that will continue to inform those processes that I think will circle back to strengthen accreditation as part of that process.
Finding now is that the accreditation standards are nimble enough to support where our education might go in the future.
How important First Nations health is being taken, especially with the move from cultural competence, which is just this one and done thing, tick a box, you're done, you're confident, to actual cultural safety, which is a lifelong journey.
The past should always be celebrated, as we are doing today, and we should learn from the past. But you can't change the past, you can only change the future. Only the future can be moulded and changed to one which is a preferred future. You want to do that, then you're going to have to commit to excellence, to boldness of leadership, preparedness for change, and reinforcement of the fundamental principles of human rights and dignity. The APC has shown itself and continues to show itself to be ready for that challenge for the future. So happy birthday, APC. Thank you.